So today I'm going to show you how to add collections to your Shopify theme. Once your Shopify theme is imported into your store and you click on any collections, you will see that if you make changes on one collection page, all changes are reflected on every page, every other collection page. So there is no need to create multiple templates for the collection page. It can be done in a much easier way using Metafields. So Shopify Metafields allow you to change some part of your page without creating multiple templates for different pages or different collections. So for collections, we will go to the collections. Here you can see I have already added 2 to 3 collections. Still, I'll just show you how to add a collection and how to add your products and images to your collection. You can sort your products manually after you have saved your collection. So here our collection is ready over here, and now we can add meta fields to our collection pages. That way they are different when we see them on website, and even if I change one collection page, it will not affect the other collections. So from here you can go to settings, and from there we have to go to custom data, and from custom data we have to go to collections. Here in collections you can choose whichever field you want to change on your collection page. Let's suppose I want to change the title of my collection page, then I will select multi-line text. If I want to change image on my collection page, then I will click file and will allow image over there. Only take input as image. So this way you can set up multiple fields for your collection pages. So I'm going to set up 2 fields, one for image and one for name. Please observe carefully. If you want to change your image or your collection name, then this will be helpful for you. Meta field is in place, so now we just have to cancel this and we can go to our collections. So now when I open my collection and I scroll down, I can see 2 fields over here. One is for title and one is for image. So over here I can select which image I want for this collection and what title I want for Let me go back to the other collections and add them also. Please watch carefully. Now that I have done that, now I'm going to go to my theme. So here if I open my theme now and go to my collections, here you can see this here if I open this image banner section, you can see this little disk type thing icon over here on the left side near the image. So this is dynamically connected. So this is used to connect your image to the meta object that we just created. I'm sorry if this is too much technical, but it's just how it works. I'm so sorry. So here is the disk theme, and when you click on it, here now you can connect your object to this particular field over here. Now I'm going to add it to all the other pages, and you can see how it won't affect other collection pages. See, now it does not affect. If I make changes on one page, it does not affect any other page. So that is how you make different collection pages without creating multiple new templates. Because if you have 4 to 5 collection pages, it's still fine, but may God bless you and you go up to like 20-30 collections, then it will be a lot of mess to handle 20 to 30 individual pages. So this is a way easier route to take to change your collection pages. Thank you so much.